Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Chime to Cashapp. Now, it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is you have to open Cashapp application. Then firstly what you have to do is you have to link your bank account. So click on your profile at the top right corner. Now over here just simply scroll down and click on linked banks. And now what you have to do is you have to click on link debit card. After that you have to just simply add your debit card number, your month, CVV and your zip code. So you can find all the information at the back of your Chime card. So just simply fill up the information and then just simply click on link card. Now, if you're doing this without a card, just simply click on no card and then just simply wait for it to load for a few seconds. Now once the page loads, click on continue and then you will have the option of Chime directly right over here, as you can see right over here. So what you have to do is click on Chime. Now it will ask you to log into your Chime application. So all you have to do is click on continue to log in and then it will give a pop-up where you have to choose the Chime application. And once you do that, your Chime bank account will be linked with your Cashapp. Now once all the process is complete, go back and then just simply go to the home page and just simply click on add money. So right over here, just simply click on add cash. Let's say for example $10. Choose that, click on add and right over here, just simply choose your Chime account or debit card, whichever you have added, and then just simply add the cash in your Cashapp. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.